students. Now for the grammar part of this week. You have to review 12 verb tenses this week and next week. I'm going to explain the big chart to you that's down here. Then I want you to copy the chart. So let's look at what I wrote. There are 12 verb tenses you need to know how to use. We will study or review verb tenses, including the be verb, this week and next week. To help you review or learn these verb tenses, copy this chart on paper. It should take you 10 minutes. Then go over each tense twice. You don't need to write down this SVO stuff, but just copy the chart down, and you have to know these tenses for completion of level 5. There are 3 different tenses: past, present, and future, and 4 different forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay, that's all I'm going to do is explain this. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Yes, I did it. Nice. All right. So we start with past, simple present, simple future. I ate pizza yesterday. I walked to the garden. I worked in the garden yesterday. I work online every day. I teach every day. I will work online tomorrow. I will take care of my dog tomorrow. Past, I was taking care of my dog yesterday when my husband stepped on his foot. Ooh. I was talking on the phone when my daughter came in my room. I am talking to you now. I am working tonight. I will be working on Canvas tomorrow, which is Monday. I will be making more videos tomorrow. Perfect, past perfect. I had eaten all the pizza when you arrived. I had lived in Seattle until I moved to Ferndale. Present perfect. I have eaten all of the pizza. This makes me sick to think of it. I have drunk coffee since I was 16. And future perfect. I will have worked at Shoreline for over 30 years by the time I retire. I will have. We explained this again in another lesson. I will have worked full-time for 42 years when I retire. What? 43 years. What? I work really hard. And past perfect continuous. I had been eating pizza for 2 hours when you arrived. I have been eating pizza for 2 hours. I have been teaching since 1985. I have taught since 1985. I have been teaching since 1985. They're both okay. There's only one difference between these two tenses, and I explain that later. Oh, I will have been eating pizza for 2 hours when you arrive. I will have been working at Shoreline for 28 years when I retire. These two are the same. Now, the thing about future perfect and future perfect continuous is these two verb tenses, I use them maybe once in 3 weeks with speaking or writing. They're not used very often. So in our lesson, I think I explain this one, but I don't explain this one because they're the same. They're basically the same. So, good luck with everything. Focus on these verb tenses, and we will study those and then have a test very soon. Okay, bye.